In today's video, we're going to be looking at resistance in both series and parallel circuits. First up, let's look at resistors that are connected in series. Here we have our circuit, initially with one resistor, which we should call resistor 1. Well, what happens if we add another resistor, resistor 2, in series? Well, hopefully you can guess that the total resistance increases. This is because rather than flowing through just one resistor, it now needs to flow through both of them. Therefore, the rule is that in a series circuit, the total resistance of the two components is the sum of the resistance of each of them. You can represent this by the shorthand equation. The total resistance is the resistance of resistor 1 added to that of resistor 2. Let's have a quick look at that in an example. Here we have one resistor with a resistance of 6 ohms and a second resistor with a resistance of 5 ohms. To work out the total resistance, we need to add together the resistance of both of these resistors. So the total resistance is 5 plus 6, which equals 11 ohms. That was series. Now we're going to look at resistors which are connected in parallel. Here the rule is a bit more counterintuitive. By adding another route for the current to flow through, the current will flow through one or the other resistor, but not both, so the overall resistance is reduced. In GCSE Science, you do not need to be able to calculate the exact resistance, but you need to know that the total resistance of the two resistors is less than the resistance of the smallest individual resistor. This can be represented by the shorthand equation. The total resistance is less than either resistor 1 or resistor 2. If we take this example, using the same resistors we had before of a 6 ohm and a 5 ohm resistor, we know, using the equation, that the total resistance of this circuit is less than the smallest resistor, which in this case is 5 ohms. Now you should be able to work out the changes that happen when you add resistors in either series or parallel. Check out our website, the link is in the description below, where you can find some more questions and information on this topic. Also make sure you remember to subscribe and check out our electricity playlist for other videos. Happy sciencing!